Okay, so I have never really done these before, but we're going to try it. Typewriters. So the bars go out a little bit wider because they're going to go from one side to the other. The wider they are, the tougher it is. So I'm going to start with it right here. I'm going to come down to one side. You slide it across and back, and that's one. Crossed and back, that's two, okay? So we're going to do 5 of those, and then we're going to come back up and do 10 regular push-ups, pausing as needed, okay? So round 1, you have 75. You can do them on your knees. You don't have to do the typewriters if you don't want to. You can do whatever variations you want to do. You can do wall. Level 2, you're going to do 80. Same thing. Level 3, you got 150 today. Do them however you can. Knees, wall, mix them throughout the day, whatever it is, okay? Let's get into the first 5. 5 typewriters and then 10 regular push-ups. 3, 2, 1. Come down to the side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. All right, coming back to the regular. I'm going to take that stance a little bit wider next time. I'll put the bars on the outside of the mat to make it just a little bit wider. That was round 1. First typewriter's done. Now we do 10 regular push-ups, okay? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Get ready for typewriters. Putting them out. This is the wider. Outside the mat. Same thing we just did. I'm going to come down, slide it over, and back. So it's 1, 2. Time to come to the typewriter. How to return. Yeah. Did I age myself? Do you even know what a typewriter is? All right. Oh, ready for this? Come on down, go across, flip it back. 3. Typewriters were really in use when I was younger, so hey. You were already in computers. 2. Well, computer just coming out when I was in high school. 1. Come on down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more. 5. Up. Bring it back, regular. All right, we have to do 10 regular, okay? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 30 down. Taking them out wide again. I was a lot tougher with them wider. 30 down. You can do this. Get it arm across. Give us just a little stretch. Other side. All right. Up we come. You can always pause this typewriter if you have to, probably through 2. Try. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. There's another one. It's archer. That's what it is. Archer push-ups. You come to the side, up, down, side, up, down. Similar, but that's the different one. You can do those also. Come on in. trying to remember what they were called the other day. I couldn't remember. All right. 10 regular push-ups. All right. 7 back. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Get ready for it. Guess what? You're at 45. Level 1, you're over halfway. All right, you only have 2 more rounds of this for level 1. All right. Ready for it? Put your mind in there. You can do this. All right. Typewriter is going to come down on the opposite side though now. And side over, okay? 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Here we come. 60 down. Level 1. We're not 60 down yet. We gotta get our 10 regular. We don't have 60 down yet. Sorry. We have 50 down. Let's get our 10 regular push-ups in. 3, almost forgot. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you've gotten 60 done. Okay. Slide them out. Ready for those typewriters. I'm going to do them backwards again. All right, this is the final one for level 1. All right, level 2, you get to do one more round of typewriters, and then you'll be done. That is if you're doing the typewriters with me. Definitely feeling it in my back from those. 3, 2, 1. Step it back. Come on down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. I might pull them a little bit closer that time. All right. We have our regular push-ups. Ready for it? 3, 2, 1. Step it back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Level 1, boom, boom, boom. Level 2, can you, come on, do a round of typewriters with me. Taking them out. This time I'm not pulling them in further. A little bit further. One more time, coming down this way. We'll be even on the 2 sides. Then we're going to come back to the other direction again and alternate them each time. Okay? We can do this. We got this, right? We don't make excuses. We make results. All right, we're at 75. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. That's 80. Level 2. Boom, boom, bam. Level 3. Yeah. You gotta give me 10 regular. Okay. We're at 80 right now. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Step back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 90 in. Okay, we got this. Let's put this on the outside. Little drink. We're over halfway. If you've done 90, you can do 65 more. Come on. I'm sorry, 85 more. I'm not gonna let you go off the hook. I did about the opposite way. All right, sliders. Coming down on the outside this time, sliding in. We're at 90. We come up from this one, we'll break our 100, okay? 3, 2, 1. Step back. Slide over and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. In. As much. I went kind of a narrow stance the last time. All right. Not too narrow though. Just closer. 10 regular. Ready for it? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're at 105. You broke the 100. All right, 70 more. Okay, coming down the side this time. Ready for those typewriters? Side to side we go. With them, okay? 3, 2, 1. Over, down, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, in. It's a little hole out of faster. Come on up. 10 regular. Ready for it. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Typewriter. Okay, so that was 120 down. Okay, 55 more to go. We can do this. Okay, enough breath, enough break. Let's get into these. 3. You know what? We're only supposed to do 150. I just put myself up to doing 175. We only have to do 150 today. What am I thinking? We're at 120. We only have 30 more to go. We only have 2 more rounds. So I didn't get up, I didn't get down, I didn't get up, I didn't get down. Which way am I going to go? I don't have a little cheat sheet thing. How am I going to do that? Obviously, it's 150. 75 twice is 150. So, yeah, I almost made you do that. All right, 2 more rounds. Down your head is like, okay, we can do this. All right, let's take them out just a little bit. They're out further than they've been yet. We're going to try this. Typewriters. 3, 2, 1. Step it out. Come on down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go up. 5. Straight across. And out. Regular push-ups. Little pull back. Come on up. 3, 2, 1. Step back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down. All right, we got those typewriters nice and wide, wider than the mat. All right. Coming down on this side, we're sliding it. Oh, my shoulder can do this. All right. Final round. Take a little stretch to the side. Other side. Make excuses. Make results. If you've done 100 and what have we done? 135 then so far, right? 105 to 120. Yes, to 135. We have 5 typewriters, which is 140, and then 10 regular for 150. Don't be intimidated by it. You got it. Another wider. You're going to do it. 3, 2, all the shoulders back. 1, over. Oh, goodness gracious, moving downwards. Over. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In. Full disclosure, at the beginning of the push-up challenge, I strained something here, so it's been a little bit of a, but I've been pushing through. 10 regular, determined to do it. Thing is, when I strained it, doing something different. Why does that happen? Called housework, yard work. All right, regular push-ups. 3, 2, step back. Final 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pull back. Forward. Back again. Forward. One more time, pull back. Really good. Drop to the knees. And pull down. There we go. Whew. So, work through it. And they say, I was like, can I do these? Can I get them done? I put my mind in there saying, no excuses. We're going to get them done. Definitely felt that one. It's checked off. Boom, boom. It is done.